Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be cleaning my master bathroom. It's actually been a while since I actually deep cleaned it, but usually I just do a little wipe down and that's it. So I'm gonna deep clean it today. I will be showing you guys what are my favorite products to use, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys do, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing and comment down below and I will get back to you guys. So yeah, let's get into this video. I just want to give you guys an overview. The door is right here. Here's the sink. This is from when I got ready this morning. Obviously clean the toilet. There's some stuff on the ground. Clean the toilet. Like I said, I need to exchange these. I'm tired of this. I've had this like this for like a year. I obviously wash these pretty often because they're the hand towels. I'm so over this. I usually just clean my hands on there, so I'm gonna get that off. I'm gonna change. I really want to change like the whole. There's really nothing to it. Just, you know, a gray carpet, a black one, and then there's the. I don't know. I'm just tired of this, so I actually want to decorate it sometime. I don't know when. I just hopefully soon after I do this, I can think of some ideas of what to do. So there's not really much to it. So this is just the overview. So here I'm just putting on some music because it makes me so motivated. It makes me want to clean and clean. But anyways, I'm going to be popping up in here every once in a while just to tell you guys what products I'm using and what I'm doing. Just let you guys know. So here I'm just using my Lysol all-purpose cleaner just to wipe down the counter. It gets a little yucky, especially, you know, when your husband's a little dirty and he leaves his toothpaste all over the sink. So yeah, I'm just cleaning that up, but I love it. It does the job and it's really inexpensive. So here I am using my Clorox disinfectant in the sink because obviously we brush our teeth, wash our face, and it has a lot of germs, so I really love it. It's like the best. And yeah, now I'm just cleaning the mirror. Nothing too fancy, but that's all. I just wanted to jump on here real quick. My husband even told me, like, what were you doing with your mouth? I actually was eating a chocolate and I had like peanuts inside, so I was just, you know, trying to clean it off. But yeah, I just had to let you guys know so you guys don't think like, what's wrong with this girl? Here I'm just removing all my towels, everything in the shower, that way I can clean it properly. Right there, you know what I'm touching, I think I'm gonna remove that and just put some hooks because I think it'd be more useful to actually put hooks there since we don't use those towels. It's just decor. It's not a big deal, so let me know if you guys think that's a good idea. I'm not sure, but I would love your input, so just let me know down below. magic eraser. But you guys, this thing works wonders. This is not a sponsor video whatsoever, but this is like so freaking amazing. It will change your life when you are cleaning your bathroom, bathtub, anything you clean. This thing does the work, so I really recommend it. You guys need to check it out. Here I am again, spraying these glass doors with another product. You guys, it's so hard to keep all this gunk off. If you guys have any suggestions, please let me know. Any tips, I would really appreciate it. You guys will shortly see me doing it with Windex as well. But yeah.
and I are working here today is evidence of that.
That most of our shampoo, conditioner, body wash containers are recyclable. I used to throw them away all the time until I found out they're recyclable. So you could just check the bottom and it should have a little recycle on the restroom. I use disposable napkins as well as disposable gloves, but I didn't have any. I ran out, but I just use those because I'm cleaning the toilet and it's only right to use something that I can just toss. So here it is. Now cleaned all the way, thank goodness. That's what it looks like. Finally all done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.